So here's a quick introduction to the Ford Autosleeper. This is the Duetto, professionally converted by Autosleeper in Worcestershire. Well, the van is British made, it's Ford, and it's the Ford factory that made it in Slough. Unfortunately though, now production has gone to Turkey, I believe, in the last 10 years or so. But certainly well built, British made. This is the Ford Transit, but of course this has been totally from scratch, from a van, converted professionally into a motorhome. There we are, complete with the awning, cooker, toilet, fridge, and the 2 berth as well. Well, there we are, quick peek inside. This is the 2 berth Duetto. Other models as well. This is from 1999. This is the facelift model. There was an older model which didn't have such a plush interior. This is what they call the smiley face one. Well, this one's done 59,000 miles. It's got the genuine period Ford radio. Although I do have another one here to go in. There we are, CD player there. It's really fitted with, because this uses up more space, so different pieces of plastic. Looking at the detailing and upholstery, this is the coveted 2 berth with a bit of space here, nice cupboard space here as well. There's storage there. Here we are. You've got the windows here, opening to the side. Got blinds as well. They can be used, operated, to be lifted up. And certainly all the extras included here. And here this as well. Just lifts up and clips up here. Of course, not easy to show you when holding the phone, but it does actually just clip up there, as so, for night use. Although they don't always have to be used, and not all the fitments have to be used. Depends, of course. More things may be used on a site. Of course, we've got the 24-volt hookup electric cable as well, which makes easy use of the cooker, although you can use it on gas as well. This is the cooker here. There we are, the Voyager cooker. Now, Thetford do make a lot of items. I think it's Thetford and Fiona. Plus a few other companies. Got the sink there. Of course, you've got 2 tanks. One's inflow, one's outflow. You fill it up as much as you want to with water. Of course, you can use the sink there for washing up. We've got a fridge here. There we are, the fridge, and there's a little small freezer there as well for your ice creams. Drawers here. We've got the gas controls and everything else under here. The various equipment here. The water heater as well. Put all those on as desired when in use. Electric here as well. So, electric lights, there we are. That's on. Can be all master switches here. Oven glove there, more stowage. Vanity mirror there. Some people, of course, over the years do fit their own piece of equipment here, like the weather clock here. People do add things such as here, grip mats here in case you were to get stuck somewhere in a field, and those other things. Stop the dirty shoes. Mats here as well. Another cupboard here. There we are, and we'll cushion for the upholstery there. The lovely seating, very comfortable seats, and further materials needed. The table as well. The coat hangers there. All the instructions, safety instructions there as well. But certainly, it's all here. And I'll just show the toilet. I'll put the light on here. There's the toilet